Hey, it's Eran here. Welcome to a tutorial and demo video of a new software called linkredirect.io. So linkredirect.io is a simple software solution that solves three very specific problems. Now, I'm going to show you each one of these problems, but if at any point you feel like you've seen enough and you're ready to start to make use of it, it is completely free to use. You simply get free access by entering your email address and your name, consent to receiving emails, and click on the free access. You simply go to linkredirect.io and you'll be able to see this page. So now, who is this for? It is specifically for people who are sharing affiliate links or doing any sort of affiliate marketing, people who are selling on webinars or Facebook Lives. If you're selling on chat like Messenger or Instagram DMs, if you're doing any sort of network marketer, if you're a blogger, YouTuber, basically anyone who has their own website and domain name and is selling online. Now, there is no integration needed with this software. It works with any website tool that lets you embed a code. And you'll see once you get into the software, there's tutorials on every one of these tools. And if there is a tool that I haven't done a tutorial for, you simply can let me know and I'll create one for you as well. Now, let's talk about problem number one. Problem number one is sharing an affiliate link in a conversation or a webinar. So let's just say you're doing a Facebook Live or a demo on a software called Kajabi, which is the software I use to host my online course and membership. Now, this is a long link and my affiliate link. There is no way I can share this link verbally and say to somebody in a conversation or in a webinar, go to this link, because it's just too long to say. It's too ridiculous, right? So it's got to be a simpler link that I can actually verbalize and say, which is short and easy to remember. The second problem is redirecting a broken or old link to a new link. I'll give you an example, and this blog doesn't actually exist, but let's just say that in 2017, which is when I started online, I wrote a blog that is how to fix a link. And let's say 4 years later, I realized, hang on, maybe this name is not very good. Maybe the blog needs to say how to fix a broken link. So then if I want to change this and change the name, it means that this link will no longer work. So using this software, I can actually do it. So even this link will still get sent, it can still send people directly to the correct link. Another example is, let's say I am on the fly. Let's say I am somewhere away from my computer, and somebody says to me, could you send me the link to make payment for a coaching session with you, Eran? Now, I'm stuck because I need to send this link. Now, if I don't have this link handy, for example, because I'm not on my computer, I need to send them to a different link. So I can send them a link that is eranbucai.com/one session, and it will take them directly to this correct checkout link. So this is the third problem that I'm solving. Now, here's an example of this use case in action. So problem number one is sharing affiliate links. So this is the Kajabi affiliate link, which is a long and ugly link. And instead what I've done is I set up something where if you go right now to eranbucai.com/Kajabi and I share that in a Facebook Live or in a webinar, it will take somebody directly to the affiliate link and directly to kajabi.com, which will then track as my referral. If I send somebody directly to kajabi.com, I will not get credit for it. Therefore, I tell them, go to eranbucai.com/Kajabi. That way I will get credit. Now, here's how this works. Once you enter your email and name on the homepage of the software, you'll be able to go to step one, which is you enter the ugly or long URL and you paste it right here. And then you click on generate code. It will take you to step two and it will generate a code for you. You simply click on copy, and then you go to the pretty link, your website, open up an HTML block and paste in this code. And what that would do is it will enable you to share the pretty link, but will send people to the ugly link automatically. Now I'm going to show you use case number two, and I'm actually going to show it to you in action. So here is a really great use case. So I've got dozens of YouTube videos where I have a link for a waitlist to a guide that I've written, or at the time wanted to write, called Beginner's Guide to Email Marketing. I've been wanting to write this guide for at least 6 months, maybe even a year. So I've got dozens of YouTube videos with this link in the description. Now, the guide is actually available to purchase right now. Instead of editing this waitlist page or going to every single one of these YouTube videos, I'm now going to basically take a piece of code just with this exact process, put the right link, grab the code, and put it on this page, which means that when somebody clicks on this link in any of my YouTube channel, they will get taken to the right link. So let me show you exactly how this works right now. So this is the new page that I want people to be sent to. This is the funnel. I'm going to click on copy of the URL. I'm going to go to linkredirect.io and I'm going to paste it in. I'm now going to click on generate code. It will generate the code in step 2. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to the actual website. Now on the website, I'm going to click on add widget, drag and drop the code widget or element, and I'm going to paste it in. It doesn't matter where you paste it in. It really doesn't matter. And I'm going to click on save. Now I'm not going to see anything here. So I'm going to click on website preview, show a new tab. And now have a look, it will automatically redirect from this blue page straight to the correct page. The last use case I'm going to show you is when I've written an article or a blog like this one, which has a very long URL, and I want to share it with somebody with ease. Instead of having to go find that URL every time, I want to have it shortened. So for example, this particular blog I wrote is to do with a specific program and a software called Mastermind. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shortened pretty link. So when somebody asks me for that blog, such as in the example of this email that I got, I am going to be able to just literally, instead of finding the blog, I could just type in the URL and easily share it with the person. So we're going to do the same process. This time we're going to use a software called Elementor. So I'm going to grab the long link. I'm going to go to step 1 and paste it in. Click on generate code, click on copy code, go back to Elementor. I'm going to click on select your structure. I'm just going to pick one. And now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down to HTML, drag and drop it in. And then here on the left, I'm going to paste in the code. Now I'm going to click on publish. Now it says have a look. I'm going to paste it in. And here you go. So now you see this page, it looks like it didn't go anywhere. It went straight to the website. Now I'm going to type in eranbucai.com/mastermind because it's a lot easier to remember. So I'm going to say that, type it in, and it's automatically going to redirect to the blog. So to recap, the 3 problems that we're solving here is the ability to share an affiliate link during a conversational webinar. The second problem is redirecting a broken or old link to a new correct link. And the third problem is having an easy to remember link that redirects to a very specific call to action. Thanks so much for watching. So go ahead and enter your name and email below to get your free access to this simple tool and start making use of it today.